Hey, what's up guys? It's David back here with another video. We're going to be working on the transmission for my Type S and basically just going to be doing a quick little tear down and then just go ahead and go through everything and fix it all up. So I'm just going to get into it. Not really going to be talking much with this one, just going to go at it. Take out this 14mm for reverse. Put it in the tray. Taking out all the 12mm bolts. Going around breaking all this seal free. Seems to be pretty good. Now you can see that the bearing dropped down. Let's kind of get ready to see the carnage It's gonna be bad, I already know. I kind of saw a glimpse. You can see a chunk. Fourth gear has been completely destroyed. So let's get ready to see this carnage. Let's see if I can get this. Maybe. Might have to pry on it. Dang. Yeah, I already kind of looked through the shifter mechanism hole and saw the carnage is pretty bad. If I'd have to say so myself. Let's make sure not to hit the diff. Let's go through there. Go through there. Get back here. See if I'm able to get this off. It's kind of a two-person job, but we're out here. Not trying to mess anything up. Let's get that up wedged in there. Don't want to crush my fingers either. Kind of care about them a little bit. Let me get this off. Okay. All right. For the grand reveal. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Chunks. On chunks. On chunks. Yeah. Got our in-factory limited slip differential. Man, what is this? Ugly in here. Straight carnage, dude. Look at all them gear teeth. Want to get these out of the floor. Mind you, I would wear gloves. Don't do what I do. Look at all that. Man. Straight up carnage. In order to take off your input-output shaft, you have to remove your reverse gear. Basically means that you're gonna have to take off these two bolts right here. So the ratchet's actually not gonna work, which is okay. Two little black bolts that hold the reverse mechanism. Just kind of note that this hole right here has to be facing outward towards your casing. Two black bolts for the reverse gear mechanism. Now I should be able to slide this right out. Reverse shifter mechanism. Slide the reverse gear up. Pull out the shaft. This is reverse. We're just gonna go ahead and set it in here like that. Now, in order to get out everything else, you're kind of have to pick it up all like that at the same time. So I'm trying to figure out the best way for me to go about this. Alright, I know that I didn't get a full teardown and everything, but just here's a little bit of pointers. Go ahead and take out your speed sensor. I damaged mine removing the transmission. Whenever you're pulling up the whole gear tree, make sure you have a second set of hands so you don't have anything come off. And also take pictures. Like, don't be afraid to take pictures and videos of how your shift forks are. That's probably the most frustrating thing for me, because I got the whole trans back together and the shift forks were wrong. So don't be like me, learn from my mistakes. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it on this quick little teardown that I got.